Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Juke. In this video I'll show you how to read and clear diagnostic codes. In the beginning, make sure that your OBD sensor is connected to the car and go to car scanner on your smartphone. Make sure that both devices are connected and go to diagnostic trouble codes. Here, press read button to read all diagnostic troubles codes. Now, to clear all diagnostic trouble codes, press clear button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.